Hi everyone, I'm Mayashri from ClearTax and today I'm going to tell you about Companies Auditors Report Order 2020. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs announced a new format of statutory audits for the companies, that is the Companies Auditors Reports Order 2020 on 25th February 2020. The Companies Auditors Report Order 2020 or CARO 2020 replaces the earlier order under the Companies Auditors Report Order 2016. CARO 2020 is a new format for issue of the audit reports in case of a statutory audits of the companies under the Companies Act of 2013. CARO 2020 has included additional reporting requirements after consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority. The aim of CARO 2020 is to enhance the overall quality of reporting by the company's auditors. CARO 2020 is applicable for all statutory audits commencing on or after 1st April 2020 corresponding to the financial year of 2019-20. The order is applicable to all companies which were covered by the CARO 2016 except the companies which are one-person company, small companies, that is the companies with paid up capital less than or equal to rupees 50 lakhs and with the last reported turnover which is less than or equal to 2 crores. Banking companies, companies registered for charitable purposes and insurance companies. CARO 2020 lists out the reporting requirements which shall be included in the statements such as the details of tangible and intangible assets, details of inventory and working capital, details of investments, any guarantee or security, compliance in respect of a loan to directors, compliance in respect of deposits accepted, unrecorded income, default in repayment of borrowings, funds raised and utilization, compliance on transactions with related parties, internal auditing system, non-cash dealings with directors, resignation of statutory auditors, transfer to funds specified under Schedule 7 of the Companies Act 2013. In case where the auditor's answer to any of the requirements mentioned above is unfavorable or negative, then the auditor's report shall also state the basis for such unfavorable or negative answer. Also, in a case where the auditor is unable to express any opinion on any specified matter, the report shall indicate such facts along with the reasons as to why it is not possible for the auditor to give an opinion on the same. Visit our detailed page on this for more information. You can find the link to this page in the description below. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.